and then some people, or everyone else basically, will go new class entity, yeah? I'm only doing it in new file because, I don't know, I'm weird like that. Yeah, basically. So I'll do it the way you guys do it, which is class, entity, and that is how you guys make classes. I'm assuming anyway. If any of you are doing it through new file, nice, we're on the same bandwagon. So, okay, this is where it gets, this is where you have to start thinking about it again. So, this is an entity and it's an object. And as we have discussed before, an object knows things and an object does things. The things it knows are its variables and the things it does are its functions. So, what does this variable, what does this object have? Or what does it know?
It knows its up and position, the Y position.
Yes, exactly.
Size.
That's basically the first things most people start with. It needs to have an X and Y position, otherwise we won't be able to see it or render it. So, you would need, actually, do this, okay. See? Right, so, okay. That's an R, I meant to draw a K, but I'm sort of not that smart anymore. Let's try again. Hey, look at that. Nose. Does. Okay, so it knows its X and Y position. Yeah. What else does it know about itself?
Its colour.
Yeah, okay.
Box.
What do you mean by box?
Size. Window
Okay,
size.
so what do you mean by size?
Window size.
Dimensions.
No, doesn't need to know that.
The size of the paddle?
Well done. Okay. So, what do we mean by size? What
Height
do
and
you-
width.
Yes, exactly, width and height. Oh, God's sake, I'm running out of room actually. And I also can't write today because I'm that smart. Okay. How's width and height? Can anyone else think of anything else? Can anyone else think of anything else that this would need to know about itself?
Got to go off the top of the screen.
Visible?
No, that would be something it does. It stays within the screen.
Visible?
No, it's going to be visible anyway. That's basically about it. I would add another variable in there, which might make things easier. Basically, no, you probably don't need it. So, what will it do?
Move up and down.
Okay, move. What else?
It has
Like
to stop
this.
the ball, like you have to hit the ball.
Okay. Okay, things like collision, movement and stuff. They, on some games, well in my games anyway, they tend to get rounded into one function called update. And basically it handles everything. So does it collide? Yes, no, does it do this? Yes, yeah. And you can do that. Yeah, no, that's going to just go in general update. So anything else that this thing will do? What do you mean? Oh yeah, no, keep within the bounds. Yeah, no, that would probably go in the update method as well actually, because you're still checking for collision technically. So there's another one which you guys are missing. Really, really simple.
Stop.
No. The entities don't stop. That could also go in the input handler. Or, well, okay, no, it'll update, sorry, yeah, and that'll handle like a lot of stuff. And I'll probably have to, God damn it, I'll do a bunch of things on the side that will do. Okay. So it'll collide. Keyboard. You guys are missing a method that this thing is going to have to do. Really, really important. No one?
Visible.
To do with visibility. To do with the game screen. It's to do
Stop
with
when
position.
it hits the
It's
edge.
just to erase all the old drawers so it doesn't end up like a giant green block.
Well, to do with drawing.
It's got something. You say it has something to do with drawing.
Yeah. Something to do with drawing.
Colour.
Yeah. has to draw. You have to draw the entity as well. Sorry for drawing and updating. You have to be able to see it.
So, yeah.
And draw. Read my handwriting. So, that's about as bad as it gets for an entity. So, what would these things be? Yes, why?
Because they check.
Exactly. They can change. And that's what a variable means. It varies. It changes. It's a variable. And what would these be? Someone from over there for a change.
Method.
Jack.
Jack,
Jack.
what are the does things?
Would it be method?
You know these are variables, so these would be.
What's the other thing in the class that isn't there?
We've just declared about 5 of them in the main class.
Void? No.
It has
I
to,
don't know, take it away then.
something to do with void.
Method.
No, you're looking at a blank canvas, Dan. I'd look at someone else, probably. Tom.
I'll just delegate.
Is it in?
No, I think Tom. I think Jack can do it.
I don't think Jack can. Parts of an object.
You did do this in the mix and match.
Is it method?
Yes, but don't tell him that, please.
No idea. No, I have no idea.
I think his mind has gone blank in terror.
Yeah.
Would anyone from this side of the room care to add a guess? I would go with James.
I think everybody knows that Jack knows it.
Yeah.
Tell him.
And just keep
Go on, James. What are the does things?
Even Sarah knows it.
Yeah, even
Yeah,
Sarah.
is it method? Well done.
Even Sarah.
Yeah, I did it.
So these are variables
Give me my
because
cookies.
you don't make a function called x unless you're really somewhat screwed up in the head.
Yeah.
So you're saying
You don't make a function called colour unless again you're just, and you don't make a variable called move. You make a function called move because it will move. It will do moving. It will do updating. It will do drawing. It won't do its x and y position. That sounds weird and also a little wrong.
Oh.
So yeah, who here does not?
Does that mean that method and function are kind of
They're the same word. I say function after method.
so many words?
I say function after method because I'm trying to use the word function more. So yeah. Right. Who here does not get what I've done here with the table and showing you this way?
I understand.
You understand?
Yes.
Very good. Anyone else?
I understand.
And I have it recorded if I forget.
Cool. So that is. I mean, yeah, you might want to get pictures of that, or whatever. And in fact, that would be a good task. If you can take that on the board and translate it into code for me, so that you can write it in your entity class.
I'd rather not, but okay.
And that will be your homework.
Yeah, that sounds good. Right, so guys, you've only got 13 minutes left. I'm going to suggest
It's warm in here.
that you take any pictures you want. I would
You
suggest
upload it.
that you... Yeah, I'm going to try and